Hey there, have you ever met someone who just lights up the room the moment they walk in? They're the kind of person everyone wants to be around, right? Well, today we're diving into the 5 traits that make someone instantly likable. These traits don't just help you stand out. They build a natural charisma that people are drawn to. If you're looking to become more likable, gain confidence in social situations, or just improve your friendships and relationships, then this video is for you. Make sure to stick around till the end because we're giving you a bonus tip that'll tie everything together. Let's get started. The first trait, genuine empathy. Likable people have an amazing ability to connect on a deeper level. Empathy is all about understanding and sharing the feelings of others. When you genuinely listen and make people feel heard, it builds trust and creates a bond that naturally draws people in. Here's a simple tip to practice empathy active listening. Instead of planning your response while someone's talking, just focus on their words and emotions. Try reflecting back what they're feeling with phrases like, "That must have been tough," or "Wow, that sounds amazing." This shows you're really present in the conversation. Remember, empathy isn't about fixing people's problems. It's about making them feel understood. And trust me, this trait alone can work wonders in making you more likable. The second trait that makes people instantly likable is authenticity. Think about it. No one likes a person who's fake, right? Authenticity is about being true to yourself, flaws and all. When you're genuine, people feel like they can be themselves around you too. One way to be more authentic is to stop worrying about what others might think. Instead, focus on being honest and open, sharing your true thoughts and feelings without pretending. The best part? When you're real with people, they feel they can trust you, and that creates a strong connection. Here's an example. If you're passionate about a hobby or interest, don't hold back. Share your excitement, let others see what lights you up. Authenticity makes you memorable, and it's an instant likability boost. Number 3, positive attitude. A likable person doesn't have to be bubbly 24/7, but they do try to focus on the good side of things. Positivity is contagious. When you bring positive energy into interactions, people feel uplifted and happier around you. If you're looking to develop a positive attitude, start with small acts of gratitude. Acknowledge things you're thankful for every day. When you talk to others, focus on the silver lining, even in tough situations. For example, if your friend's venting about a stressful week, you could say, "I can imagine how hard that must be, but you're handling it so well." This kind of energy is refreshing, and people are naturally drawn to those who make them feel good. Trait number 4, humor and lightheartedness. Now, we're not saying you need to be a stand-up comedian, but having a sense of humor is a huge plus. Humor is like a bridge. It instantly breaks down walls and helps people feel at ease. You don't have to memorize jokes. Sometimes just being open to laughter and finding the lighter side in situations can make a big difference. For example, if you make a mistake, don't take yourself too seriously. Laugh it off. A little self-deprecating humor, when done right, can make you relatable. Remember, humor brings people together. When you make someone laugh, you're creating a shared moment of joy, and that's something people remember. And finally, trait number 5, being supportive and encouraging. Likable people are the ones who cheer others on. They're genuinely happy for other people's successes and offer a shoulder to lean on when things get tough. If you want to be more supportive, try celebrating other people's wins, big or small. It could be as simple as saying, "I'm so proud of you," or "You've got this." This goes a long way in making people feel valued and appreciated. Being supportive isn't just about giving advice, it's about showing up. Whether it's a friend, a family member, or a colleague, make an effort to be there and let them know they can count on you. Alright, here's that bonus tip I promised. Making people feel seen and valued. This is the glue that holds all the traits together. When you can make someone feel important, they'll remember you for it. So how do you do this? Simple gestures can go a long way. Remember people's names, ask about their interests, and follow up on things they've shared with you. For example, if a friend mentioned they had a big presentation, check in afterward to see how it went. Little details like these show that you genuinely care. This trait is powerful because everyone wants to feel like they matter. When you make people feel valued, they'll be drawn to you because of how good they feel in your presence. And there you have it, the 5 traits that make someone instantly likable, plus a little bonus. Remember, likability isn't about being the loudest person in the room. It's about connecting on a deeper level, being true to yourself, and spreading positive energy. Which of these traits do you connect with the most? Or is there one you'd like to work on? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content on self-improvement and building great relationships. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.